Alright, so picture this. A lake shaped like a lightning bolt, surrounded by mountains that look fake. A town where you can jump off a bridge in the morning, sip a local craft beer at lunch, and somehow blow $12 on a sandwich without even blinking. Welcome to Queenstown, New Zealand, aka our home for the last 3 months.
Whether you're into hiking, biking, eating, drinking, throwing yourself off a cliff for fun, or just sitting still and vibing with the view, Queenstown somehow has something for everyone. And in this vlog, we're breaking down how we survived and thrived here on a budget, thanks to free accommodation.
Do Trusted Housesitters, sign up for it and just do it.
Cheap eats, and a whole lot of nature that doesn't cost a cent. Is it worth the hype? Stick around, we've got some thoughts.
Queenstown, the undisputed adventure capital of New Zealand. A place where unhinged people rocket down shallow rivers on jet boats. A place to paraglide, zipline, skydive, not to mention it's home to the world's first ever commercial bungee jump. At the heart of Queenstown you've got the Skyline, a gondola that takes you up 450 metres above town to the top of Bob's Peak. The views from up here are wild.
If, like us, the budget says no, then we found the Tiki Trail, a forest walk with some serious elevation, not that we struggled. Another 30 minutes? Okay, maybe a bit, but the reward was well worth it. About an hour later, and after some blood, sweat and tears, you'll finally reach the top, where you can smugly walk past everybody getting out of the gondola. At the top, there's a bar and a cafe, and of course the views. More uniquely though, you've got the luge, which is part go-kart, part toboggan. There's different tracks you can ride and you can select how many goes you want. And if you're too tired after all of that, you can ride the gondola back down for half the price.
Another walk we really enjoyed was the Mount Crichton Loop Track. Just a short drive from Queenstown, it's a fairly challenging 2 to 3 hour hike, winding through native beech forest, past old gold mining relics, and ending with amazing views over Lake Dispute.
And just down the road from Mount Crichton, you've got Bob's Cove, which has a nice, easy, accessible walk and some of the bluest waters you would have ever seen in your life. How do you rate Bob's Cove track?
Oh, Bob's Cove's a big one. If you're coming here, it's really easy to access, although there is a small car park, so just be prepared for it to be
tiny car park.
slammed. But yeah, other than that, the place is insane. The water's crystal clear, and the views from the top, if you do the loop track, it's called Picnic Point. You do the loop track up to there.
It's done.
Mwah, chef's kiss.
Well done, nature.
Next up, and definitely worth a mention, is Queenstown Gardens. Free to walk around, it's the perfect way to spend an afternoon. It's got stunning views of the town, and it's home to our next recommendation, the Queenstown Ice Arena. What are we doing tonight?
We're watching ice hockey. So on Sunday nights they have 4 games and you can come watch for free and have mulled wine.
It's nice here, isn't it?
It's freezing. It's really nice.
And good news, it's no longer just Sundays. You can now watch ice hockey for free here every day of the week. So do it. Game on. About an hour's walk east of Queenstown Gardens along the Frankton track, you'll arrive at the boat shed. Built in 1869, the building is now a buzzing cafe bistro, serving decent food with stunning views. Or, for a more budget-friendly lunch option, head around the corner to the Boat Shed Bakery and grab yourself a tasty little pastry.
Really good. There's almondy stuff and basically Nutella in there.
Across the car park from the Boat Shed Bakery is Altitude Brewing. Easily one of our favourite spots in Queenstown, this Alpine-themed brewery has an amazing outside space and is host to some top-notch food trucks. We grabbed the salt and pepper chippies that were on special from the Smoking Pickle, and they were damn good. Highly recommend.
Our second favourite brewery had to be Canyon, in the Arthur's Point area, which is about a 10-minute drive out of Queenstown CBD.
We come down to Canyon Brewing. It's down by the, is it called the Shootover River?
Shot over
River.
Yeah.
They've got a boat called, I guess it's the Shot Over boat.
Yeah.
And it's
it looks
this
fun.
red boat that just basically rapids down the river.
Oh, it really fancy.
So this brewery is right on the river, and it's a lovely little place, and they let doggos go outside. Cheers, pop it.
If you're in the town, these are some of our top picks for a quick pint. Beach Street always had an excellent selection of beers, and you could get a tasting paddle. It's dog friendly and the food slaps. Atlas is a bike-themed beer cafe with excellent decor, and the more you look, the more you see. Smith's is another dog-friendly boozery. The vibes in here are always immaculate and it always has a banging playlist. Oh, and if you come, you must try the poutine for that cheesy goodness. When you're all hopped out and you fancy a cocky tea, Tommy's Margarita Bar is a great recommendation. Adorable decor and the coconut margarita was bang. If tequila's not your thing, how about rum? Havana Club had immaculate vibes and the cocktails to match. Now for something a bit more classy. With over 75 wineries across the central Otago region, you'd be hard pushed to get to them all, so why not pop into the winery in the Queenstown CBD? We really loved the laid-back vibe of a self-serve wine tasting, and you can tell we felt very relaxed in here. They also had a great whiskey selection, which Luke was very happy about. And they have all bases covered here with an excellent cheese board selection. Now, if we had to pick one bar as our ultimate recommendation for Queenstown, it would be Perky's, because what's cooler than a floating bar? And guess what? You can bring your own food, baby.
So when you buy takeaway food in Queenstown, it is a must that you have to go and sit on Perky's floating bar and buy a pint as well. Just have to do it.
My personal recommendation for takeaway on a boat would be Eric's Fish and Chips, because duh. And for $14.50, look at that. The fish wasn't oily at all, really delicious.
And I grabbed a Devil Burger to see how it stacks up against Queenstown's famous Ferg Burger.
Better than Ferg? Or worse?
More like a smash burger.
So better for you then.
Good. Come back to me. For those of you that have been to Queenstown, you'll know that Ferg Burger is an absolute institution here. With a line stretched around the corner day and night, it is always rammed. There's something on the menu for everyone. We grabbed a couple of burgers to see if it was worth the hype.
I mean, one bite in, it's good, but it tastes like a barbecue burger.
Ferg also have their own bar, bakery and gelato shop, but we wanted to highlight the not so well known Ferg Butcher. A 20-minute drive from downtown Queenstown and hidden on a small industrial estate is Ferg Butcher. A traditional butcher's selling locally sourced produce, they also have a hot food menu serving up some of their famous eats, but with far less queuing. You right there, mate?
Just for reference of how big these sangers are.
So yeah, we've come to Ferg Butchers. The Ferg company are taking over towards Arrowtown, which is where we are now, which is just a short drive out of Queenstown. You've got the Ferg Butcher.
It's like a little industrial estate next to like a car garage.
Yeah,
Random.
but they do basically the same menu as they do at the Ferg burger in town, but they also do added sandwiches. So I went for the beef brisket, and Leanne went for the
Like a codfish sandwich. And there's no queues. So the whole thing, Ferg Burger has become such a big thing in town that people legit queue around the block, and it can be like over an hour that you're queuing and waiting for your food. But you can come here and there's no queue. Do you know you've got onion rings in yours?
I do know, yes. Next up, we've got Balls and Bangles. Located in the centre of Queenstown, this bagel/donut shop was easily one of our faves.
Oh my god. So I got like a breakfast, bacon, cheese vibe, it's egg. Really good still, really good. This one is the Kransky, and it's like sausage, sauerkraut, mustard, pickles, and oh my god, it is insanely good.
The actual bagel as well.
I'm very jealous.
Incredible.
I kind of wish I had taken a bite.
Cheese bagel.
It's a cheese and parmesan bagel, and then I got the rosemary and sea salt. But yeah, that one is hands down the best.
If ramen's more your thing, Queenstown's got you covered. Ramen is a great little spot with a build-your-own style menu, perfect for some winter comfort. And if one ramen joint wasn't enough, we'd highly recommend a visit to Lanzhou. All the noodles are made fresh in-house, and it has a more traditional vibe, which we absolutely loved.
So while yes, it is correct, Queenstown can be very expensive to visit, live, there are places that do good deals. Somewhere we have found ourselves coming back to time and time again is Handlebar. So they do this amazing, it's like $17 for a breakfast bap and a coffee. The coffee is like up there, like some of the nicest, best flat white we've had in all of New Zealand, and the breakfast bap is just amazing. Like you can pick bacon, sausage, and they smoke all of their meat themselves, or you can have a veggie one with like tomato and avocado. There's like an American style hash brown in it. The buns are made there, really good. But also the thing that keeps me coming back is a cinnamon scroll, because it's quite possibly the best thing I've ever eaten in my life.
Okay.
And it's just nice people in there, nice vibes. Literally can't recommend it enough, and it's a bargain. Like we've looked at other places and it's such a good deal, like nowhere else compares.
Come to Handlebar, do it.
Just come to Handlebar. Also, Handlebar, if you want to sponsor us and send me cinnamon scrolls a week, I'm keen. Our number one recommendation for coffee has to go to Black Lab Coffee Roasters. We particularly enjoyed the flight option where you can get 3 different blends to try. You'll find Black Lab nestled in the Country Lane Retail Village, which is an absolute must visit. It has heritage buildings, farm animals, and a community of local boutique businesses. If, like us, you love a sweet treat, our top recommendation is Anita Gelato, located near the skyline. And while this isn't exactly a budget tip, if you're going to blow your money, I'd blow it here.
What are we saying?
It's insane.
Some of the best ice cream gelato I've ever had.
It's obscenely good.
Definitely come here.
So as you guys may have seen in previous vlogs, we always bang on about this trusted house sitter malarkey, but it really is. If you're traveling, or you just want to go away and you just want to save money, like it is the best. I mean, if you're scared of animals, don't do it, because then it'll be the worst thing you've ever do. But if you love animals, it is easily one of the most rewarding things we've ever done. You get a pet that you instantly love. You instantly fall in love with it, her, not it. And then you just get to spend your time in an amazing place, meeting amazing people in their amazing house, and you just get to live kind of like it's yours for a bit. I mean, it's not, but life's temporary, right? So by that notion, it's all temporary. So I just pretend I live like a millionaire in Queenstown now for a little bit with my little doggy, and then when it's over, I'll cry for days till the next house sit. That's how these work. So yeah, if you're thinking about traveling, thinking about going away, thinking about trying to save money, but also like to meet people and, I don't know, hang out with a little doggo, give Trusted House Sitters a look, because yeah, it's easily the best thing we've done since we've been away. Keeps us sane.
So, what was originally supposed to be us living in Queenstown for 3 weeks looking after Bandit turned into us living here for free for nearly 4 months, saving us about £10,700. This has been over 3 different house sits that we've been lucky enough to get back to back. Look at these scenes.
So we say it time and time again, but just do Trusted House Sitters. Like, sign up for it and just do it. Don't sit at home. Sit in someone else's home with their pets.
Yeah, and then you get to...
This isn't an ad.
2 minutes down the road, this is our view.
It's insane, right?
Insane.
Let's have a look, Isla. Mwah.
And with all that money you saved, we recommend treating yourself to the onsen hot pools, where you can soak in their cedar-lined tubs and you have a perfect view of the Shotover River. This bougie little treat was well worth it, and it was made even better with free snacks and drinks.
So we've come to the top of Queenstown Hill.
We made it.
Sum it up. What do you think of Queenstown?
It's incredible. It is insane. Like we've said before, like we heard so many things about Queenstown, like good things, and you think, oh, it's just overhyped. But then I also had some negative things about it. It's quite touristy. I think it's an amazing place. It's a bit touristy. It's not overly touristy, and you can easily get away from the touristy bits and not partake in that and not spend all your money on that. But it's there if you want to.
Yeah, I think it's one of the best places we've ever been, for sure. Just a choice of food, bars, endless walks like this. It just is such an insane location. It's and also the people, like it I thought because it's really international, because you get obviously travellers from everywhere come here, I thought it would be quite like, I don't know, it would be like the least personal place, I guess, coming to New Zealand, or the least sort of local place. But we've managed to integrate really, really easily into like the local community here. And there's so many events that are geared up for everyone. And also the one thing I did want to mention was we've seen quite a lot of videos on Queenstown now where people have said how expensive it is here. And it can be. You know, beer prices are definitely higher here, and stuff like that. But a lot of places have happy hour deals, and also we've found so many like cheap options to eat as well.
Oh yeah, there is something for literally everyone and every budget, no matter what you're into. But you can easily find good deals, easily find like food deals, and also like because of where you are, like the insane views and nature. Like there's endless free things to do. Like you do not have to spend a fortune when you come here. And obviously where we've saved our biggest bit of money is on accommodation. So there are loads of hostels and stuff in town.
And like Leanne said, there's just endless free things to do. I mean, again, there's loads of paid stuff to do. The winters here, especially if you're from the UK, you're used to grey and rainy, and occasionally you get a nice blue sky day like here. But here it's the reverse. It's like blue sky days like this all the time, and then you get maybe like a patch of 2 or 3 grey rainy days. Not even really rainy, just grey, maybe drizzle.
I would say it's like 90% of the time like this.
Yeah.
So you're still getting sun pretty much every day.
Yeah, and I think that probably wraps up. I mean, if you guys got any questions, ask in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel, so that would be very, very helpful.
Please subscribe, it is for free.
And also, you can pay us back for all these breakfast buns we keep eating. Well, Leanne keeps eating too many cinnamon buns anyway.
Oh yeah, our top recommendation of Queenstown
is
Handlebar.
Handlebar is the place. Perfect cakes, perfect staff, perfect breakfast baps, good prices. There you go.
And you got to get that cinnamon scroll because it's literally life-changing, I'd say, actually.
I would agree.
Anyway, bye. We're going to go get food now.